This review is of La Tortilla Factory. No bad fats or artificial sweeteners, unbleached flour, non-GMO, and kosher. No artificial flavors or sweeteners, no bad fats, no refined sugars, no mono and diglycerides, which means no trans fats, and 6 grams of net carbs. And there's the blurb. All right, nutrition facts. One wrap has got 2 grams of fat, of which none of that has saturated or trans fats. There's no cholesterol. 210 milligrams of sodium, though. 15 grams of carbs, of which 9 are dietary fibers, so that's pretty good. And no sugars, 5 grams of protein. And these are the ingredients. I wonder why they used guar gum. And cornstarch, and xanthan gum. Okay, well, they didn't need to use the salt. Let's give it a try, though. Afia to you, my viewers. Okay. Very mild flavor. I'm surprised. Yeah, it's very mild. Slight bit of sourness to it, but generally just a kind of a bland flavor. So you know, it's nothing. It's not there to be the flavor of your food. It's there to hold the flavor. So yeah, I'll give it a 7. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.